come to the question number B. 0.11 into 11.1. 0.11 into 11.1. So first step, decimal you have to convert into fraction. So 0.11, after decimal there are two digits, so becomes 11 by 100 into this one, after 11 one digit, so it becomes 111 by 10. So now numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So this one, numerator becomes 11 into 111 and denominator becomes 100 into 10. So denominator 100 into 10 becomes simply 1000. Okay, and this one you have to do the rough work. 111 into 11. So 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. Again 1 1 1. So 1 2 2 1. So it becomes 1 2 2 1. So divided by 1000. That means 3 zeros. So after decimal there must be 3 digits. Okay. Again I am repeating this one. It is given 0.11 into 11.1. So first step, the decimal convert into fraction. So 0.11 after the decimal 2 digits. So whenever you remove the decimal, it becomes, numerator becomes 11 and there are 2 digits after the decimal. That is why we write 2 zeros after 1. That means divide by 100. Similarly, it is 11.1. So after decimal there is 1 digit. So whenever you remove this one, it becomes 111 divided by 10. So now multiplication of two fractions. So numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So 11 into 111 divided by 100 into 10. So 11 into 111 you have to do the rough work. So this one 1 on the 1, 1 on the 1, 1 on the 1. Again 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2. Again this one is 1. So numerator becomes 1, 2, 2, 1. And the denominator becomes 100 into 10 is 1000. Okay. Now the last step is fraction to decimal. Okay. So 3 zeros, that means after decimal there must be 3 digits. So 4 digit numbers. So you have to give decimal here. So therefore 1.221 is your answer. Okay. So now come to the question number C. Question number C. Question number C is 0.2 into 888.8. So 0.2 into 888.8. Okay. Same 0.2 convert into fractions. So 2 by 10 into. Look at this one. 888.8. After decimal there is only one digit. So you have to divide by 10. So whenever you remove the decimal, then it becomes 8888. 48 divided by 10. So now the next step is what? Denominator into denominator and numerator into numerator. Multiplication of two fractions. Okay. So 2 into this one and 10 into 10. So 10 into 10 simply becomes 100. And now this one. You can do the rough work or you can directly solve this one. I'm doing a rough work. So 2 8 just 16, 6, 1 carry on. 2 8 just 16 plus 1, 17, 7, 1 carry on. Again 2 8 just 16, 16 plus 1, 7, 17, 7, 1 carry on. Again 2 8 just 16, 16 plus 1, 17. So 1, 7, 7, 7, 6. Okay? And there are 2 digits in the denominator. That means 177.76 your perfect answer. Okay? So now come to the next question, question number D. So question number D is given 7.9 into 9.7. 7.9 into 9.7. Okay. So first one simply convert into fraction. So 79 by 10. Okay. Similarly, this one 9.7 convert into this fraction. So 97 by 10. 7.9 is 79 by 10 and 9.7 is 97 by 10. Now the next one, numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Okay, so you have to do the rough work here, because 79 into 97 you have to multiply it. 97, 7 9s are 63, carry on 6, 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 6, 55. Again 9 9s are 81, 1, 8 carry on. So 9 7s are 63, 63 plus 8 becomes 71. So 3, 6, 6, 7. So numerator becomes 7, 6, 6, 3. Denominator becomes 100. Okay? So whenever you divide by 2 zeros, so 76.63 your answer. Okay? So again I am repeating this one. 7.9 into 9.7. You have to find the value of 7.9 into 9.7. So 7.9 whenever you convert into fraction becomes 79 by 10 into 9.7 whenever you convert into fraction it becomes 97 by 10. Okay? Now fraction into fraction, you have to multiply two fractions. That means you have to multiply the numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So numerator into numerator becomes 79 into 97 and denominator is 10 and 10. So 10 into 10. So 10 into 10 simply becomes 100. Denominator becomes 100. Now numerator is 79 into 97. So 7 into 9, 63. 3 here, 6 carry on. So 7 into 7, 49. 49 plus 6 becomes 55. And whenever you multiply 9 into 9 becomes 81. 1 stay here, 8 carry on. 9 7 is 63. 63 plus 8 becomes 71. So whenever you add 3, 5 plus 1 becomes 6. 5 plus 1 becomes 6. And this one is 7. So it becomes 7663 divided by 100. So last step is what? I convert a fraction. You have to convert fraction into decimal. So 2 zeros, that means after decimal there must be 2 zeros. Okay, or you can say that from the right hand side, you just select 2 digits, then you put the decimal. Okay, so it becomes 76.63. Okay.